Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 5.4 and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app. From here, tap on the three bars, go to settings where you should see import right at the bottom. From here, select that you want to import from SIM card, and by default all the contacts will be selected. So if there are some contacts that you don't want, simply deselect them by tapping on them, and from there choose the check mark. There we go, 3 SIM contacts imported, and if we go back they should be visible right over here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.